UWilliam Ruto umenyezelwe njengomengameli wesihlanu eKenya. Unqobe ukhetho ngo-50.49% ehlule imbangi yakhe uRaila Odinga othole 48.85%.
In accordance with the law, the constitution and the law, I, Uwafula Chebukati, chairperson of the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission, hereby declares that UWilliam of ID number 6847208 has been duly elected as the president.
uRuto ethula inkulumo emva kokunqoba uthembise abantu baseKenya ukuthi uzobandakanya wonke umuntu kuhulumeni wakhe.
I want to promise that I will work with all elected leaders and all leaders in Kenya so that we can fashion a country that leaves nobody behind. What the people of Kenya have done, they have assigned us responsibilities. There will be those of us who will be in the executive, but there will be those of us who will oversee what we do in the executive. Both responsibilities in government and in the opposition are important for the people of Kenya.
Eqaleni kube nokujijilana ngezihlalo kukhona ukhomishana abadubile bengahambisani nomphumela kepha isimo sadamba kwabe sekubenyezelwe imphumela.